Hello student, today I will discuss the topic the world population distribution and density. I hope you will learn about this topic, so let us start. First, distribution of population. Pattern of population distribution in the world. George B. Gracie remarks, Asia has many places where people are few and few places where people are very many. Same is true about the pattern of population distribution of the world. Because of this 10% of total land are worth living, these land have many facilities like job or employment, availability of water, agricultural land, favorable climate, transportation and health facility, and also their history. So these 10% land attract 90% people of the world. So that 10 most populous country contribute about 60% of the total population of the world. These are the 10 populous country. These are the 10 populous country. Number 1 China, number 2 India, number 3 USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, CIS, Bangladesh, Japan and Nigeria. These are the countries. Number 1 China, number 2 India, number 3 USA. This is the population bar graph of these countries. Now we will discuss about the density of population. The density of population ratio between total number of people and per square kilometer of an area called density of population, or total area in square kilometer divided by total population. This is a world map shown density of population in the world. You can see in this map you find some place have very high population density like India, China, Indonesia, Egypt, and in some part of Europe like UK, Northern America, particularly Great Lakes area. India and China, Indonesia, Central Asia, UK, Egypt, Great Lakes, USA. These are the area in the world are very high density of population. Apart from this, you can see other area that have less populated. You also notice some part of in this map shown very less population density like Greenland, Sahara Desert, Siberia, North Canada and West Australia that have less than 1 people population density. Australia, Siberia, Greenland, Canada, Sahara. These are the area are very less density of population in the world. Now we will discuss about factor influencing population distribution. Before we starting this, I would like to tell you why the people attract or gathered in a specific place or land for permanently or temporary, and what are the cause behind the uneven distribution of population in the world. So I will discuss it one by one. There are four major factors that influence to the distribution of population in the world. Number 1 geographical factor, number 2 economical factor, number 3 political factor, number 4 socio cultural factor. We discuss first geographical factor. Geographical factor. These factors are very important in these four factors. Number one, availability of water. Number one, availability of water. Water is the main resource for human being. Human can't survive without water. If you look your past, we find all civilization developed near water body. So water is a very essential for human life. We use water in agriculture, industrial, domestic use, and in also other work. So this factor influence distribution of the population in the world. So you find all the area of the world where found water are highly populated, like all banks of river and sea and oceans. Second point, landform. Landform, this factor also utilized as a main resource. This resource also very important for surviving for human being. Without this, we can't grow crops, we can't go anywhere. We can't build home, industries, road. So this factor influence distribution of population in the world. People attract to words where you can do agriculture work, establish industries, easy connectivity of transportation, construction of home. You noticed in the world the plain area highly populous, while the hill terrain mountains are very less populous. Number three, climate. The factor also influence distribution of population. Every person in the world wants living in the pleasant climate. So harsh climate not favorable like polar climate and very hot climate. Sahara deserts peoples migrate to those places where has pleasant climate like Western Europe and 30 to 40 degree north and south latitude on both hemisphere. Due to this factor, some places are very less populous and some are very high, like Siberia and Sahara Desert, and Switzerland and UK, Canada, USA, Japan. Number 4, soil. This factor affecting to the distribution of the population due to their needs. This factor are very important for growing crops like wheat, paddy, sugarcane, cotton, mustard, maize and much more. So you can notice the great plain of the world highly populous due to fertile soil. This soil very useful for any crops, while barren land less populous. This plain area of the world famous for crops like Ganga plain, prairies, steppes, down veld. These are the plain world famous. These were the four geographical factors that affects to the distribution of the population in the world. Next time we will discuss economical factor. Thank you.